Okay.
Hi, this is the video of installation of the battery of motorbike EKC010. At first, we unscrew these parts for battery installation. This is the battery. And then screw it back in place. Because of the size of the battery is a little bit smaller, so the bottom part I add a cardboard lah. Maybe you can find something to thicken up so it can secure in place lah. And then we install the cable. So here got red wire and black wire. The black one goes to the black color, and then the red one goes in the red. As you can see, now it's already powered on and started.